Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having steak, corn, sauteed potatoes, and baked potatoes, sweet potatoes. Gikan kog trabaho kapoy. Pag uli galuto.
Got a lot of food.
And I get some cucumber.
Cucumber's really good.
Congratulations sa mga winners.
We did a raffle last night. Did you contact them?
Yep. Yep, I sent them the amount already.
When are we doing another raffle?
Next week probably. Because I'll be very busy this week.
And then we have to do some stuff during the weekend.
Nagto ko sa doktor sa mata kay ang mata ang sakit. We'll do a raffle. I work Monday to Wednesday next week. So probably Thursday.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll probably have the raffle next week, Thursday, because I'm off. Wala trabaho.
How many subscribers do we have now?
20, 24, something like that.
Yeah. If you guys are gonna subscribe, then just tell us you subscribed, and we also need proof because like people can just be like, oh, I subscribed already. So make sure to DM us on Facebook showing us your screenshot, and then we'll enter you into the raffle.
I got some of the names, but
Yeah,
they're
but
still.
like for future, because some people might just fake subscribing.
But you could tell because the subscription will go up.
I know, but still, because we still need names and we still need proof.
Oh yeah. Some of them they told me already.
But yeah, if you guys are gonna subscribe, just say that you subscribed so that we can enter you in the raffle, and just show us that you subscribed. What else, Mom?
I don't know. I'm hungry. Kining steak. Ay mo na siyang salt and pepper. May mong hugasan salt and pepper. Dayon, ibutangin mo og barbecue sauce. Ibutangin mo sa oven. Mga 365. Dayon, preheat nimo. Then ibutangin mo ng steak dito. Then i-check nimo kung kinahanglan pag more barbecue sauce, imong ibutang sa ibabaw. Then maluto na siya at the end. Pwede na ibutangin mo sa broil. Pero ayaw ka siya i-overcook. Kawa nila may. Diyon, ang potatoes, imo siyang i-slice ng ginagmay. Then, butangin mo onions, salt and pepper. Ako, ganahan man ko brown. Almost, what's that, Chloe? Almost caramelized.
Caramelized is sugar, Mom.
Almost, what's that in English?
What?
Sa Bisaya ba, napagod na ba? Murag napagod na. Kapo in English, oy. Medyo na brown na siya ba? Lami siya. Almost burnt. Almost burnt. Not caramelized, but almost burnt. Dayon, corn. Corn nga naa sa can.
Wait, those are your potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
Mine look like this.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll show them.
Corn sa can, imo siyang ipabukalan. Tama mo kumok. Dayon kini nga. Oh, yeah.
These are mine. Golden brown.
Diyon kini siya, microwave ni mo ang sweet potatoes. Kung unsa kadako 3 minutes, 3 minutes, depende, pwede po 2 minutes, 3 minutes, imo rang i-turn over. Lami, imo rang i-kuan ba? Tuyo ko, baliway yun. Voila! You got your dinner.
What's our next dinner gonna be?
Huh?
What's our next dinner gonna be?
I don't know. It's hard. You know, you don't know this. You don't think. What am I trying to say?
Mm-hmm.
You want some steak sauce?
I don't have any more.
Oh, I have some. You want some?
Sure.
You like steak, aren't you?
Well, most of it was fat, so I had to give it.
Oh, this one is not fat. This is pure meat right there. Okay, you want some potatoes there? Corn?
No, I'm good.
Steak sauce. Want some steak sauce?
I have some right here. We need to get milk next time we go shopping.
Well,
We need to get milk.
I know, I forgot today. Philip told me about it. There's so many people at the store and then there's no cashier. And everything is so expensive.
Yeah, because they're low on stock.
Remember that steak that we like? The one with the fat on the side?
Yeah.
It used to be $5. Today it's like $12 for two.
Dang.
Yeah. The price went up.
Oh, by $1.
No. Imagine before it was $5 for two.
Oh, I
Now
thought you
it's
meant-
$12.
I thought you meant $5 each.
Double the price.
I thought you meant $5 each.
So I have to get this kind of steak.
Still good.
But this is still Angus though. Anyway, Angus steak is the best steak here. It tastes better. Kapoy.
You want this, Mom?
What?
The fat?
Right here. You want sweet potatoes? They're really good.
Sure.
Here, I can finish it. It's too big. Eat it. It's really good.
That Mexican place that we went to,
Mhm.
not Cezanne's, but the other one.
Which one? And the Simpson?
Yeah. It was so good.
I know. It's cheap too. I only paid $27 for 3 meals, including drink.
Mine was really good. I just couldn't finish it all because it was like
I know.
so much. It was
I know.
in such a big bowl.
Next time, get different one. Ikaw with me, Dixie?
Can't wait to go to the apartment.
Find a knife. So next week, guys, we'll do the drawing. Because, huh?
I'll be right back.
You gonna get a drink?
No, I'll have one right here.
Next week nga lang tayo mag-draw kay trabaho pa bang kuugma. Then, Bernes, ato ko sa doktor. Magpa eye check up. Dayon weekend. Busy, glag-laag. Next week na lang, Thursday. Next week, trabaho ko Lunes naman, Merkules. Then off ko Thursday. Pwede na tayo mag-draw. Kaya isulat pa po na ako ang mga ngalan. Katong na, kuan, wala pa wala pa ko na-inform nga nag-subscribe. Comment or message ko nga nag-subscribe para ma-appeal mo sa raffle. Sayang. Try the sweet potatoes.
I did.
Inani nga dinner, ilang ganahan. You like this kind of dinner, huh?
Oh, Mom, can I show you my my plan for my room?
Okay.
I drew it on my iPad. Hold on.
Di lalim, guys. Kapoy ko. Kitang TL.
So when I went to the apartment last time, I took a panorama shot. So I haven't done this yet, but I plan on taking those posters out of my window so that it's more clean. And hopefully I can buy the ones like this so that it can be on that one. And then I take all that stuff out and put this plant thing, put some plants there, put those plants on my wall. And then I also have like a bunch of pictures printed out, so I put it on top of there. And just clean up the rest, like my desk and that type of stuff, and just make it more tidy.
So how long usually you make a video?
I don't know, it just depends.
You eat all your steak?
Yeah.
Want more?
You burped really loud.
It's really good.
I'll have to charge the thing.
What?
The light. The ring light.
Yeah, the really good steak. I couldn't believe the price.
I just wish I had less fat.
I know, but This is the only one. The $4 per piece. The rest are $12, $15. With the potatoes, the corn, the steak, the sweet potatoes, the cucumber, I only spent $18. Pretty cheap, huh?
Yeah.
You done with the sweet potatoes?
No.
It's really good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Jeez, I ate a lot.
That's good. You must be hungry. You didn't eat anything?
No, there's nothing to eat.
I got some food in that thing. You didn't see it. You see that?
Food.
In that bag.
Yeah, I saw that, but it was just those cookies. I saw donuts though.
I know. Did you see that?
No, not until you came.
I know. You didn't open that bag. That's a really good donut.
Philip ate all of the pizza rolls.
Excuse me.
Those cheese pizza rolls aren't good.
They're good.
No, they aren't.
Mm.
Regular pizza rolls are better.
You want some potatoes? I'm full.
I'm almost full to the brim. How long is the video?
17 minutes. I got me a steak for work tomorrow.
Where are you working?
I'm on Sterling. I'm tired. My feet hurts. You see my feet swelling? Yeah.
I'm full to the brim.
Sorry guys. I'm slow today.
I'm drawing this so far.
Mm.
I only have the outline sketch, but it took a long time to draw. I don't trace anything because I feel like it's cheating.
The sweet potato is really good. You like it?
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Philip probably eat all the food.
Yeah, I bet he did. Seems to be...
Is this your favorite meal?
I don't know.
Hmm? Ang ganahan ko sa sweet potatoes. Yeah, but we have to draw the probably Wednesday night here. It's gonna be Thursday there morning. Wednesday night. Let's just do it on Wednesday night. This week. After work.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I can't eat no more. I'm sick. I ate too much. Guys, I'm done. I can finish it. Busog ng kaya ko. Na, Chloe. Say bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks
Thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe.